Good morning to all. Myself Dr. K. Manoharan, Associate Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering. So today class we are going to discuss about the problems in 8-point DFT using DAF algorithm, that is decimation in frequency algorithm for 8-point DFTs. The given problem is find the DFT of the sequence x of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1 using DAF algorithm. Same problem we already discussed with the DAT algorithm. Now we are going to discuss with the DAF algorithms. Look at this, number of n is number of samples n equal to 8, and then we need to find the Twiddle factor W08, W18, W28 and W38. We have already calculated this, same here. So W08 is 1 and W18 is 0.707 minus J 0.707, and then W28 is minus J and W38 will be minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. So this is the 4 Twiddle factors will be required. So this is common for both DAT algorithm and DAF algorithms. Now look at the DAF structure. Look at this. This is x of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is normal natural order. And look at this output, x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, 5, 3, 7. This is bit reversal order. That means input directly we can feed it, while writing output we need to take a bit reversal order, and that should be corrected for a natural order. Look at this Twiddle factor W08, W18, W28, W38. So this will be considered only for down leaf, up leaf no Twiddle factor should be required. Second stage also, look at this. So we have two Twiddle factor W08 and W28. So only for a down leaf it should be considered. And the last stage also, look at this. We have W08 Twiddle factors. This also should be considered only for a down leaf. Look at this. Given input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Directly we can feed the inputs. Look at the table. I can feed in the inputs 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Because here natural order input is fed. So directly feed the input in all the things. And then look at this computation. So look at this. This is the first butterfly. We need to take this first input and then 2, 3, 4 skip it and fifth input. So these two inputs should be considered. Up leaf simply add the two inputs, and down leaf just subtract the inputs. After that multiply with the Twiddle factors. Look at this. So here this is the first input and this second for this 4. So this is another input. Now we need to consider this input 1 and this input 4, and then output for here, and this should be contained. This is up leaf and this is down leaf. Up leaf simply add the two inputs. So one input is 1 and another input is 4. So 1 plus 4 equal to 5. Look at this, for down leaf first subtract it. So here it is 1 and this is 4. So 1 minus 4. After that multiply with the W08. W08 is 1 here. So 1 minus 4 into 1. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 into 1 will be minus 3 only. Now consider for a second butterfly. So one input is 2 and another input is 3. So here we take 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And down leaf we need to perform this 2 minus 3. After that we need to multiply with W18. So W18 is 0.707 minus J 0.707. So perform this 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 will be equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into 0.707 minus J 0.707. That will be equal to minus 0.707 plus J 0.707. This is for second butterfly. Now consider for a third butterfly. So this input is 3 and this input is 2. So add it, 3 plus 2 will be equal to 5, and down leaf find it, first subtract 3 minus 2. After that multiply with the W28, that is minus J. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into minus J will be equal to minus J. And last leaf, look at this. So this input is 1 here and this input is 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5. For a down leaf, first perform subtraction 4 minus 1. So this is 3 into Twiddle factor W38. So minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. So 3 into this value multiply. The result is minus 2.121 minus J 2.121. This is for an first stage result. Now come for a second stage. Look at this second stage. First input and third input should be considered, and that should be added, and then down leaf it should be subtracted and multiply with the W08. Now look at this. So here we have the inputs. So this is 5 and this is also 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. For down leaf first perform 5 minus 5 and multiply with 1. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0 here. And then another input, look at this. This is 5 and this is also 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5 minus 5 into minus J. 5 minus 5 is 0. So 0 into minus J is 0 only. This is for first two butterfly. And look at for a second two butterflies. So look at this. This is 3 and this is minus j. So uplift simply add the two inputs. So minus 3 plus minus j. So this is minus 3 minus j. And downleaf first perform subtraction and then multiply with the Twiddle factor. So minus 3 minus of minus j into Twiddle factor 1. So that becomes minus 3 plus j. And then last butterfly, look at this. So we have one input is this is and another input is this. So for uplift simply add the two inputs. So this input is minus 0.707 minus j 0.701. Look at this. I am taking the same input here, and then downleaf this is the input, so directly add that. So take these two input, this input and this input, simply add the two inputs, you get the output. So this is minus 2.282 minus j 1.414. For a downleaf, first we need to perform a subtraction. After subtraction, we need to multiply with the Twiddle factors. Look at this. So we are taking this input. So minus 0.707 plus j 0.707. This is one input minus. Second input is minus 2.121 minus j 2.121. After subtraction, I multiply with the minus j. So this is the result for that. This is for a second stage. Now come for a third stage. Look at this third stage. First two inputs should be considered. So next stage also next two input, and next two input. Twiddle factor, all Twiddle factor is simply 1 only. Look at this. So first thing we have 10 and 10 only inputs. So 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 minus 10 into 1. So 10 minus 10 is 0 here. And then second butterfly, both inputs are 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 also 0 here. And then third butterfly, look at this. So here we have the minus 3 minus j. Here we have minus 2.828 minus j 1.414. So these two inputs should be added. Look at this. Minus 3 minus j plus minus 2.828 minus j 1.414. These two values simply add. Add two real numbers, add two imaginary numbers. Real numbers, look at this. Minus 3 minus 2.282. So automatically 5.828 we get it. Here it is a minus j and here it is a minus j 1.414. So 1.414 plus this is minus 1. So you get a minus 2.414. And then for a downleaf, so first perform subtraction and multiply with the Twiddle factor. Twiddle factor is 1 only. So 1 into anything you get the same value only. So just simply subtract it, you get this answer. And then for a last butterfly, so look at this. This is a one input is minus 3 plus j and another input is 2.828 minus j 1.414. Simply just add this value for uplift. Just simply subtract the value and multiply with the 1. Multiply with the 1, there is no changes. So simply subtract it here, right here, and simply add it here, right here. So this is the value minus 0.172 minus j 0.414. Here this value will be equal to minus 5.828 plus j 2.414. So this is the actual output, but the output is not in the natural order. Now we need to convert in the natural order. Look at this. So this is x of 0, this is x of 4. So you know, don't write an x of 0 followed by x of 4. So first write x of 0 followed by write x of 1. Look at this. This is an x of 1 followed by write x of 2 followed by write x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 like that. So we need to change it because output is in a bit reversal order. We need to write in a natural order. So we need to take this. So this is the first input. This is the first output. Again, this is the second output. Again, third, fourth. So we need to take this. Look at this. 20 minus 5.828 minus j 2.414. This is second output. Third output is 0. And fourth output is minus 0.172 minus j 0.414. And then 0. Minus 0.172 plus j 0.414. And then 0. And last output is minus 5.828 plus j 2.414. So if you compare this result with the D8 algorithm, both results will be same. Thank you.